It's Judy Love Bowman, aka Dr. Thinkachine. And for those of you who are following for more writing tips on write your book this year, write your book this month, just remember that when you write, it's the private theater of your mind. Everyone might not understand, but if you come up with a great topic, a topic God has given you to explore, or it might be something you create because your imagination is amazing, then follow that, go with that, take notes on that. And first, just free write. I talked about a conceptual framework or an outline in other videos. Sometimes you just need to free write. Don't let the editor sit on your shoulder and say, that's not a good idea, you need to rewrite that. Nobody knows what that means. You didn't spell that correctly. If you let the editor sit on your shoulder when you're free writing, you'll never write. So write, and write some more. God bless you. Keep following for more videos on Write Your Book This Month, Write Your Book This Year. God bless you and heaven smile upon you. Happy writing.